Hi guys. So today I am going to make some collage fodder with these acrylic markers by Arrtx. They were sent to me. I'll show you kind of, here's the box of them. So there's there's 72 of them. They're kind of cool because I'll show you, this is their tip. And then they come with two different other size tips. So you can make them more of a fine liner. I'll make one a fine, So it might be hard to see, but it's real thin. I think I made the black one that way. Let me look here. I gotta find it. Let's see, yeah, so I already made one a fine tip versus kind of more of the blunt tip. So you can change those out. There's a discount code and I will put that across the screen and it'll be in the description. So anyways, I'm gonna try these out. Well, I have tried them out. I'm gonna use them on making some collage fodder. So let's see. I have been making this flower with watercolor, which I love, but I want to try doing it with, okay, so can't go over it until it dries, so my bad. Let's let that dry. I'm just making a basic doodly flower. I'll make a few. Let's see, let's do this one. Pink. I'm going to attempt to layer them. Let's see. What else should we make here, folks? Let's see. Let me get one piece of paper out. You guys know I'm obsessed with my acrylic paint pens. I have so many. Maybe we'll make a rainbow. I keep grabbing the same pink. Let's see. I'm just picking any random colors. Maybe do a blue. I'm not the best at making straight lines though. And then, well, let's do one more color. Why not? I've been making these off camera and then just taking my scissors. I won't touch this one quite yet because it's wet, but then I was just cutting it out. So let's see here. This kind of flower, my layering might work better with watercolor, but you know, whatever. I just love collage fodder. I could doodle it all day long. Oops, okay. I do like the fine point. They seem to run very well. Ink comes out, ink or paint. I always call it ink, but it's paint, acrylic paint. That's my my Henry boy whining under my table because it's raining today. And I can't play with him outside. I might put on some boots in a little bit and play with him because it's rained all week. So he's like super bored. He's 4. Is he 4? Yeah, he's 4. So he needs to play a lot. All right, buddy, I'm gonna try. But I have to go to the store first. Let's see. Mister. So they color in really fast and well. I have other ones from Arrtx. I have lots of styles from Arrtx. I do tend to like the ones with a thinner tip off the get-go, but These are cool too if you want to do like, you know, full coverage pretty quick. They kind of all have their place. This is kind of an ugly rainbow, but how I was doing it is just kind of leaving it like blunt, I guess, flat on the bottom. Oops. Yeah, I guess that's, I need to get better at making straight lines. All right, let's see. Let's grab some different colors. So these, you start out by just shaking them. That's what gets, and it primes it, and then you pump it a little bit. I've already primed all these, but that's how you would do it if they were fresh out of the box. That one let me, oops, I smeared it. Okay. These are just some of my wonky flowers. They're kind of ugly until you cut them out, but just doing a little bit on book page 2. As you guys know, I love my book page fodder. What else should we do? Maybe ooh, I like this magenta. Mister, shh. Okay, I gotta get him. I was just making like a wonky butterfly. I'm not always the best doodler, guys. I just keep trying. And you could take another color, do a second leaf inside. Let's see. Make a big leaf. I know the noise is kind of I like to have nice thick base, I don't know, the lines, because then it makes it easier to fussy cut out. Let me see what color I want to do. Oh, there's so many to pick from. I don't know, what's this color? Nope, I don't want that color. I want a darker color. Let's see. Nope. Nope. I'm trying to find. I guess I'll do a blue. What else can we do? Let those dry for a sec. It's kind of wonky. I'm gonna add another one. I keep smearing it. Let's see, put like a little center in there. Problem is I have to wait for them to dry, like all acrylic paint pens.
Okay. Let's see. Trying to think what I want to do. Just add leaves. Pretty neat. I could use acrylic markers all day long to doodle. Just a little tiny little guy. Oops, I keep picking this one up. It's not very dark. Got the camera. That's better. And I keep putting my hand in it. Now I'm covered in ink or paint. Yeah, so there's some doodles with these. They're pretty cool. I mean, I think they're better for large coverage. Not so much for like fine detail, just because the nubs or the tips. But yes, of course, you could switch them out whenever you wanted to use more of a fine point like the black one. So that's kind of cool. There's a ton of colors, of course, 72. So there's lots of options. And one thing it does have, which is kind of the set, is it has gold and silver, which I don't get gold and silver a lot in my acrylic marker sets. Let me see if I can find the gold. I think this is gold. Let's see. Yeah, gold. And then there's a few silvers, I think. Oh, here's a silver. So that would be good for doodling. Let me show you real quick. Another thing besides just doodling. So if you've already got collage fodder made like I have, let's see if I can find some that aren't doodled on like this. You do some silver mark making, which, ooh, I love that. I might like these pens more for doing mark making than the actual doodle part. Okay, let me find. This one I did white on it, but I could add like a silver dot around each one, or in each one. I mean, you know, doodling and mark making, oops, you can kind of do whatever. Let's see. Oh, here's a good one. Let me find that gold one. Let's do a gold dot around. So this collage fodder, a lot of this will be going into my packs that I'll be putting up for sale. These watercolor, wonky, whimsical flowers. I've got tons of them. Tons and tons. I've been making them like a machine. This one. Maybe I'll put a gold dot, whoops, in there. Might be hard to see on camera, guys. I'm sorry, but it is like very dim out today. Let me set these so because they're gonna have to dry. Let's see, we'll do some couple gold dots on the leaf. Let's see, does it have white? I think so. I don't know if I primed white. Let's see. Okay, yeah. I'm always looking for good white mark makers, so yeah, I'm glad it has white. Usually, the kits usually, or you know what I mean, the sets usually do.
But yeah, I think I'm gonna like these for adding detail because I think it's got a perfect, I think the tip's perfect for doing, because you know I love my dots. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I was just showing you my new markers, and I'll be doing lots of mark making with them in the future. So stay tuned. I have more videos planned. I'll see you soon. Bye.